Okay guys, we're going to try one more video before we get back. We're soaked, but it's eased off a little bit now. Just going to walk back into town. What's this called, Marcus? Yeah, Marcus still with us. Was my idea to come out, so it's a good thing he's still speaking to me. Oh, yeah, I think it was halfway through last month it started and hasn't stopped since. To be fair, we've had a couple of reasonable days, but it's not the Benidorm you expect. My chips there. Told you should have come out today, Marcus. What's this stuff? Yeah, Marcus just found a fiver, so how lucky can you be? Must have walked straight past that and not noticed it. Oh, sorry, Marcus, it's dropped out of my pocket. So we go for a drink now then, Marcus?
No. I found it.
One thing we have got to say down the end of here, the advertising thing. I know what's gone wrong, it's still not advertising anything. That's about as much as I'm going to say on that. 3.5 million. Right, it's still looking like an eyesore there. Worked out what it looks like. It looks like one of them, I don't know if you've ever been to a chicken farm, the hoppers they use to feed the chickens and whatnot. That's what it looks like. Yeah, there's been no lights on it, nothing yet. I don't know if any of the other guys have got any idea when it's going to be lit up. I definitely would have thought it had been working by now. We will see. Few of the shops there. The Plaza Bingo down there. And of course, just here, McDonald's. Nobody sat out today. Up here, if you're in town, that's a good place to go and get a steak or do other stuff as well. Robin Hood there. You still see the oranges on the tree there. Would have thought they'd all be gone by now. Hanging on well. The pizzeria there. It's a real posh place, that one. There's a whoop, come down a bit. Review of Chicken Bridge. Recommend the video there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To see more from Ben and watch the one that's coming up in the card. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.